Tonight for dinner, I am making black bean quinoa bowl. I love using the quinoa instead of white rice because I feel like you get more nutrition from it and it's very filling. This dish is one of our family favorites because it is so flavorful and it is under 400 calories. Plus the avocado gives you a lot of healthy fats. This recipe is also found in my cookbook, The Calm Kitchen, where you will find 4 weeks of healthy dinners. You can use either canned beans or dried beans and prepare them. Today I'm going to use dried beans. And the nice thing about making a big batch of beans is I have them for the week where I can make multiple dishes using them. So you want to put in 3 to 1 of water, 3 cups water, 1 cup of your beans. And you just add like you're making a stock. So I put in half of an onion, 2 bay leaves, a bouillon. This can be your preference of chicken or vegetable bouillon, and a little bit of dried herbs, some salt and some pepper. You set it to boil for 10 minutes and then you turn down your heat, simmer with the lid on it for an hour and a half or until your beans are nice and soft. Quinoa is 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa. And I like to add a little bit of olive oil in mine. I think it just gives a little flavor. You simmer this with the lid on it for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the quinoa is cooking, I'm going to make a homemade pico de gallo. Now you can use any variation of ingredients that you like, but this is what I enjoy in mine. An onion, of course tomatoes. I like red pepper because it adds like a texture and crunch to it, so I enjoy that. Lime and some cilantro. So you just dice up your onions pretty small so that you don't get like a big chunk of onion. That's gross. And the red pepper, I just go around the top. Such a neat little trick. And then you just grab the stem and pull it out. It pulls out the seeds with it. Sometimes there's a little extra in there, but this one's pretty clean. So a little time-saving hack that I always do is when I'm cutting onions or peppers or any kind of vegetable that will stay for a while in the fridge, I put all the extras into a mason jar, and that way I can just add them to scrambled eggs or to pasta, any kind of dish really easily, and I don't have to take the time to re-wash them and dice them. a little bit of lime juice. Adds a little zest to it. And some fresh cilantro. I just do my cilantro with the stems and everything. It adds a little texture. Oh my gosh, love fresh cilantro. Adds so much flavor to any dish. It smells so good, that cilantro with the onion, the tomato. So we're gonna top it off with a little creamy hummus dressing. It's so good, but we're gonna spice it up with just a little bit of fresh squeezed lime juice. So a little trick to do if you are trying to juice any kind of citrus is to just use the palm of your hand and roll it around, and it makes it so much easier to juice. And I'm going to squeeze about half of a lime into here because we want it to be very smooth, more like a salad dressing texture. And now it's time to put it all together. So we start with about a half a cup of quinoa. You can add as much as you want. And next are beans. Then our Pico de Gallo. Adding some color onto that. And then you just drizzle the hummus dressing on top. So simple, so healthy, incredibly delicious. And the last thing will be avocado. So one of the great things about being in Costa Rica right now are the amazing avocados. The bad thing is, I don't know if you can see, but it's so hot. I feel like I'm melting. Anyways, so we're gonna top it off with a little bit of avocado and a little bit of lime. And a little slice of lime to make it beautiful. And it's done. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe as much as me and that you have air conditioning. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a beautiful day, my friend.